Can you tell me that BMWs are better than Audis?
They are.
Alright guys, vlog episode 2. Let's go in here and see what the guys are working on.
I love working on cage cars.
What are you doing?
Trying to get this seat out.
Is that all?
That's all, yeah. Yes, I'm so comfortable I could take a nap. That wasn't bad at all.
No. Look, it's the internet favorites person. Oh yeah, we saw this yesterday.
Alright, I'm gonna go smell some little cakes.
Ooh.
I am in here today, for now.
What are you doing?
Putting together S52, getting these cams in here. This one's kind of neat. If you look at what the hell's going on over here.
Oh yeah.
So that's an N55 turbo manifold on an S52.
How's that work? Is this a common thing?
I don't think so. It looks like they just welded the stubs to a plate. I gotta get some longer bolts for those other ones.
So wait, what did you say? N50?
N55 turbo.
N55.
So off of.
Is it running a turbo? The N55 turbo?
Yeah. Yeah. So this is like the whole turbo fold from an N55 and welded to an S52 flange.
What car is this for?
It's not here. This one's shipped in from Colorado.
Oh, darn.
Yeah. So this one's just getting a built bottom end, ARP head studs. I think this is like a dual purpose track car and street car. Just trying to wrap this up this week, get this shit back out, get this thing out of here. We were waiting on head studs for 2 months for the ARPs to come in there, the 625s.
Are you gonna do any aero on this for the season?
I'd like to. I'd like to get it on the car. Definitely the splitter is gonna happen. Should probably do the diffuser and a wing at the same time, but I think more pressing is my brake issue, so I gotta order my brake shit so that I can.
Are you keeping the same brakes?
I'm keeping the brakes, but we're gonna go down from the 380 rotors to 355, just because I can actually get that shit. Because I need new rotor hats, and they don't make them anymore. I don't want to wait for a custom set, and I don't want to pay for a custom set. It's like $1,200 to go down to the other side, or $1,800 to go down to the other size, and
yeah, and then it's a part that's actually produced.
For now, I mean the rest of the Stop Tech shit's drying up. So
didn't they just sell out or something, or file for bankruptcy?
They
or something?
sold in 2021. So now and then the company that bought them, I think back in September, filed for one of the chapters of bankruptcy. I don't know which one, but I think they're pretty much closing down the Stop Tech brand, from what I understood.
What are you elbow deep in?
Dining intake.
A dining intake?
Yeah.
Where's that at? Over here. Well, that's cool. It's gonna match the mirrors now.
Yeah, they tried to. One story is customer tried to install it themselves. Basically, reinstalling it for them properly. If you want to do stuff like this, bring it to us.
Yeah, we do installs. What are you doing over here, Nick?
Making some downpipes.
M57?
M57, yeah.
Mary 57? More in stock on the website. Go get them.
Buy them up.
They go fast. What are you nutting and bolting today?
Valve, cover gasket, and a high pressure fuel pump.
Oh, nice. So it's like mandatory on these.
Since they are N57, they have a CP4 fuel pump, just like all your newer like trucks and all. And that can fail, so we like every 100K. We recommend popping a new pump on it so you don't get metal through your system.
Grenade itself.
Yeah, grenade itself. They make kits so you can put an inline filter in there to catch the metal, but or you could just replace your pump so that it prevents it from failing. You know.
That's the move.
The our diesels, like the M57s, have a different pump, so it's one that lasts just a long ass time.
The good ones. They probably should never switched them.
Pretty much, yeah. I'm not sure what they switched them for. I guess like an upgrade, like a newer thing, maybe. I don't know, is my guess. But newer stuff sometimes fails.
Sure does. Ramsey got a new box.
New box.
You just spent your entire 401k on that thing.
Yep. A whole 401k.
He had to take a loan out.
Cost me a whole 401k for that.
And you got the black one too?
Yeah, buy one, get one.
You got the buy one, get
I
one.
got the old BOGO.
That's a lot of box, Ramsey.
A lot of box. I told him I didn't want the black one, I just wanted the blue one, but I had to take the black one.
And now it's just sitting here vacant.
So, yeah.
Well, this is a big upgrade from what you had.
Upgrade man.
So you liking it? You loving
Real
it?
bad man, yeah. I like it.
Is this like everything from this box just in one shelf here?
Yeah, pretty much. A lot of
You could just fit it all in one. Oh, you had this one too.
I had this filled with sockets, and then like my other box with sockets. Now I just have all the sockets in one. Still a lot of room. More activities, more socketry.
What are you doing here, Alex?
Getting rained on.
Dirt. Alex is also working on an F15, just like Ramsey.
That was an X3, I'm gonna be honest.
What? Why? Because it doesn't have roof rails?
It's got no roof rails and just it looks small for some reason.
Small.
There's another F15. That one's a...
You can't tell me from where I'm standing that that one doesn't look bigger than that one. I think it's just a trick of the light.
This one looks bigger.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Kind of.
I thought it was an X3.
It's an X3 over there on that lift that Ben's working on.
The next 30 then.
Yeah, he's doing the dine-in intake
they all look,
install.
They all look the same.
Well, when you see him every day.
Yeah.
See y'all in the next video.